We are making this delicious, cheesy vegetable pizza from scratch. These are all the ingredients you're going to need for the pizza base. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. So first, to your warm water, add in the sugar and the yeast and let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will see that the yeast has bubbled up. That means it is good to go. Now in a bowl, take your flour, salt and olive oil and mix it well by hand. Then add in the yeast water and mix it in. And now keep kneading for about 6 to 8 minutes. The mixture will first be sticky, but it will slowly become smooth. Once it is fully smooth and not sticky, you know that the dough is ready. Then brush another bowl with some olive oil and place the pizza dough in it. Brush the dough with some oil as well. And then cover with a plastic wrap and set it in a warm place to rise. Meanwhile, you can prepare your pizza toppings. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need. So first, you're going to set a pan on low flame and add in some olive oil. Add in the onion, capsicum, and the tomato and give it all a mix. Also add in the salt, black pepper powder, and the red chili flakes and mix them in. And then cover and cook them for about 5 minutes till they're nice and soft. And your mixture is ready. After about 2 hours, your dough should be risen and you're going to roll it out. Once it is rolled out, place it on a baking pan. I do realize that this baking pan is a bit scratched up, but make sure to use a good non-stick pan. And you're just going to spread out your dough on the pan. And then spread some pizza sauce on top. I do have a recipe for this as well. Then add on your vegetable toppings. Then finally sprinkle with cheese. Then bake this in a preheated oven at around 230 to 250 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Basically the highest temperature your oven can go. And that's it. Your pizza is going to be ready to slice into. You can see that this pizza is as good as the one you might buy from a cafe, but honestly it tastes even better fresh out of the oven at home. The base is nice and soft and the toppings add so much flavor to it. The cheese and vegetables go so well together. I really do hope you try this out and subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you soon. Bye!